going to be talking about rounding decimals. If you know how to round whole numbers, you have a pretty good idea about how to round decimals. We're going to talk about some of the things that are a pinch different. We're going to round this number to the nearest tenth. Notice how I wrote tenths. That's a part. So when I look at 5 and 84 hundredths, I want to think, what's the tenths place? The 8 is in the tenths place. As we know, when we round, we can either stay the same and do 5.8 or 5 and 8 tenths, or go to the next tenth. The number after 8 is 9. So this number right here is in between 8 tenths and 9 tenths. Some of you are really good at this and just know the answer right away, but some of us might need a little number line to help us out. Here we have 5 and 8 tenths. Our number after 8 is 5 and 9 tenths. When I think about a tenth, I think about a dime. When I cut a dime in half, I have 5 pennies, or a nickel. So the number in the middle is 5 and 85 hundredths. It might help to think about this as 80 and this is 90 as a placeholder. So 85 is in between 80 and 90. Well, this is 5 and 84 hundredths, which is right here, which means it's closer to this. So 5 and 84 hundredths is about 5 and 8 tenths. You can also call that 80 hundredths. So that means that this number rounds to this number. Okay, we're going to try one more with a 5th grade topic, which is with the thousands. Wah, wah, wah. This is 6 and 187 thousandths. Okay, so this places the thousands, but we're still going to round to the nearest tenth. So once again, I'm looking at this number, 6.187. 6 and 187 thousandths, and I notice that the 1 is in the tenths place. Well, what number comes after 1? 2. So, when I think about my number line, I can put 6.1, and my next number is 6.2. I can also put invisible zeros. I can actually put 2 invisible zeros here, because that's the hundredth place and that's the thousands place. The number in the middle is 6.15, and I can put another invisible zero. So it's kind of like 100 thousandths, 200 thousandths. The number in the middle is 150 thousandths. Well, this is 6.187. 6.187, or 6 and 187 thousandths, is going to be over here, much closer to this next tenth. So this number is about 6 and 2 tenths, or I could also call this 6 and 20 hundredths, or I can also call this 6 and 200 thousandths, because both of them have the 2 in the tenths place. Good luck, explorers.